pulling up to McDonald's right now. About to order something.
We're gonna
100 nuggets.
100 nuggets? Bro, there's no drinks. This is insane.
Oh, you hungry?
Hi, it's cash only at the moment. Is that okay?
Yes, that's fine.
Okay.
Alright.
Tonight?
Can I get like 100 nuggets? But with that 2 for $5 deal thing?
50 nuggets each. You know, it's a challenge there.
We just smashed it up. Dude, it can't be easy, bro. Can I get a large Coke?
I'm sorry, we're actually out of Coke. We do have all the other sodas.
You guys don't have Coke? Or?
No, we don't have Coke. We have all the other sodas except for Coke.
Alright, they don't have Coke.
Oh, I'll fucking chew.
So I'll have your soda up a second for now. Thank you.
Alright, thank you.
You guys have Pop Ecstasy?
It's fucking hot, man.
For real? I got Child's Lock over here or something.
You can
Play a song.
play a song.
Dude, just start the video, nigga. Let me just like go outside and fart real quick. You gotta let one out, bro.
Hey, what's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video, you know what I'm saying? I got Croft with us. They're the judges back here. Hello.
What's up?
Kate. Is there? Oh, that was weird. Shit.
What do you want us to say?
We're gonna be doing like the challenge, they're gonna be the judges.
Yeah.
Who is it? We got
First, I got
Dude, you should have introduced
we got Hamal right here.
You know what's up?
And we got Cade right here.
Wow, nice.
Alright, man. Great time. Alright, so basically today we're gonna be just doing the 100 nugget challenge.
You gotta rep the Mac, you already know, Big Mac.
He works no he doesn't, you can't say it.
Nah, you can say that. Nah, you can say that, but you can't tell him which one, bro. That's it.
He works at McDonald.
Yeah.
Alright, me and Croft are gonna be splitting this in half. And we're gonna be like racing. What's the time?
Yeah, it's like
5 minutes.
5 minutes. No.
We've already been sitting in the
10?
car for 30.
Alright, 15.
Okay, 15 minutes. Jesus Christ.
Alright, we got judges right here now. The first judge is Howell right here.
Lil Donnie.
The second one is Cade.
Is there?
So here are the nuggets right here.
You got sauces in this bag, you already know.
You gotta use every sauce. You gotta use every sauce.
Every sauce.
You gotta use a barbecue, ranch, buffalo.
Sheesh.
What sauce you using for this?
Buffalo sauce right here.
Buffalo sauce? What about you, Carl?
Bro, that's fucking ass. I'm getting the fucking creamy ranch. You know what I'm
get the
saying?
worst out the way, though.
No, creamy ranch is the best. What the?
That's what I'm saying. You gotta get the worst of the way, because it'll be
Bro.
sit down.
So
I'm gonna chow down like fucking 30 of these with ranch real
Alright,
quick, bro.
Yeah, like,
Yeah.
yeah, it's actually
Alright, go.
Wait, is there already time?
Bro, there's no drinks. This is insane.
Yeah, no drinking is too.
No. You agree
Dry
with
as
that?
shit.
No. That's impossible.
Especially with the buffalo. You,
No drinks, bro. I'm a fucking choke to death. Bro, it's
Every time you take a swig, you lose a point. Out of 50 points, like you get a point each nug.
I'm taking a fat ass swig right now.
Yeah, you gotta make them fat.
God damn. Bro, these are so dry.
that's why you have sauce.
Dip that shit in.
Fucking Christ. Jesus Christ. This is slavery food.
I think the reason Julian is like, you gotta get Levy to start off with the buffalo.
That's
Yeah, it's
fast.
just like so tasty. It's just, boom, it goes down.
Keep going.
It's got a little spice to it, so it's kind of like makes you quicker, right?
Definitely.
Oh, you saw it on the wave? Okay. Let's see what's
Damn, Julian has 8 down. Carl's got like 4.
First box?
No.
He's getting out some barbecue. Oh no, he's going for the ranch. Can't open it though.
Hey, cheers.
It's my small
Like-
down.
Oh, fuck him up.
Alright, bro. You try cheers?
You just did some, man.
1 down.
There's one down.
One down.
Yeah.
Easy.
Easy, man.
Dude, I thought she was kicking his ass.
Honestly.
This shit's some ass, bro.
I'm gonna
He's like
point
a
down.
chicken nugget expert, so I kind of like want to know the consistency.
You want one?
No, it's
Cheating? What?
Trying to.
You're already down a point because that swig.
It's 2 swigs.
You took
Oh
2
my
swigs?
god.
Hey, you're supposed to keep count.
Hey, thanks for being honest, man.
Mm. Do I get a point back for being
Yeah.
honest?
5 minutes already passed. I don't know why we said 15 minutes.
Because like someone could finish it and they like When?
If they go first.
Hey, that's 3, bro. He's trying to sneak.
Nah.
He's trying to sneak.
Sneak what?
Dude.
I take a swig.
Just take a swing.
So that's 2 points.
Oh, Kuz went first swig. Make it good, make it good.
And the nuggets kind of hard.
Mm-hmm. Can you tell?
It kind of looks like. It kind of looks like my worst nightmare.
Kind of chewy.
Aren't they supposed to be chewy?
I just feel old chewy, like just like
Yeah, like you bite it once, it's really cracked.
yeah.
Is it that, or is it because you waited an hour to eat it after they gave it to you?
2.
Ooh! Joey, you got 2 down or no?
No, he doesn't.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's
catching up to
sweet.
dude.
Took you a little
We're
long.
taking off in this lead right now, though.
Honestly, dude, I would be so full right now. Just my stomach would be tight.
Dude, you can barely eat. You can't even finish a burger sometimes.
Finish my drink. Yeah.
That's my 3rd point.
Careful now.
Kate is a judge, bro.
No, it was my 4th. Remember, I was honest, so it was 3. No,
Yeah, we
4.
made it.
Yeah. You agreed to that.
Yeah.
Fuck.
You fucked up.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think I don't know. I thought.
Oh, that was number 2.
What'd
Yeah,
you
yes, there it is.
Is that the trash?
It also has the sauces, bro. We fucked up.
Oh, yeah.
There's no sauce. Ah, bro, I just dipped my.
That's
Bro.
a foul.
Bro.
Let me see the bag.
lick it.
No, I'm not licking that.
Let me see. I might
You
even
have
get
to.
the sauce out here.
Look it. Look it.
Nah, bro.
Dude, where's the-
Yeah, that's 4 points.
Can you even win now?
No, who's on 2?
Oh,
he
gosh,
fucked up.
That's 5 sips.
Are you slowing down?
I'm running the sprint. I'm running a marathon. You're gonna tire your stomach out, and I'm just gonna come up and beat you. You got any Buffies?
There's a
Thank
bag
you,
right
sir.
there.
Buffies.
That's on me, I'm not gonna lie.
You guys said we had a lot of sauces, but I don't see them.
Mm.
Oh my, it's not a lot, man.
You want to touch?
Should we tap them?
We should show
Oh.
the evidence of the wasting.
I ain't gonna
Yeah,
lie,
you
this
have-
shit make my tummy hurt, man.
Sorry.
I'm going to 3rd right now.
This is your 3rd box?
Mhm.
2 on your 3rd?
Almost.
You're in your 2nd right now?
Yeah.
No, you're not on your 2nd. That's your 3rd.
You're on your 3rd.
Oh shit.
You guys can eat 50.
I might have to pick this shit out after.
What's the most nuggets you've had? Ever?
10, cause I hate this shit.
You don't like nuggets?
Like after this, hell no.
Angel, I know you've had like 20 at least.
Mhm.
Or even more than that. Maybe like 25 or 30.
Yeah, maybe
How many?
like 25.
No.
Nah, it was definitely recording, but I'll probably stop like that.
No way!
How many you have left? 3?
We went through all these motherfucking nuggets. Like, there's nothing in here. 0. But we kind of like messed up because.
Who messed up?
No, bro.
Who messed up?
I got 3 left, but we kind of messed up because it just cut off, man. That's it. So I just started recording right now. Yeah.
Oh, it is? Try it, bro.
Bro, come on, bro. I want a competition.
Try it, bro.
I want you to want to win. You don't have no heart, bro.
What does it say about like slow and steady, bro?
When's it ready?
When's it ready?
Well, you got one more left or what?
Fuck, it's warm. Fuck!
What is it?
Mm-hmm. Fuck. Fuck, bro. There's no way I can down this shit. Yeah, drink. Fuck!
Wait, that's your last one?
So we ate 50
We ate fucking fish, bro.
nugs?
Nugs.
50 fucking nuts.
Why though? Alright, man. Croft lost. Took an L.
Happens, bro.
Punishment.
I'm not
Run
gonna
24 hour and run a mile on the treadmill.
Right.
Oh, yeah.
I know.
You would have to.
Oh, I'll fucking chew.
Do a sprint like over there. Do a quick little sprint.
Alright, let's do it.
Let's do it. You gotta do it.
Run a sprint. Here, run around.
All the way to the wall.
Alright, hold up. I gotta like burp real quick.
Look at Kate. Show Kate's little boy now.
Where Gabe? Come on, Gabe, come out.
You can see him.
Timing.
Ain't no timer in this, bitch. Come on.
Go.
Sprint, dude.
Alright, tell me when to go though.
Or like do a countdown. All right.
3, 2, 1, go. Look at the water. I hope he does that.
Run back. Sprint.
Hey, there's the water right there in the back right.
How you feeling?
Good. You already know? 50 more? Let's go.
50 more.
Dude, I'm fucking tired.
Do you feel like throwing up or no?
Nah.
You gotta do one more then. 100 nuggets challenge. Finito. Oh, what the fuck is that, bro? Oh, shit. Get that man out of here, bro. Kill that. Kill him.
What do you have the camera for?
I make the bitch at my toes.
And more chewing for your head top, so watch how you speak on my name, you know?